Movement of joints and ligaments. Vertebral column flexion and extension. Vertebral column rotation. Vertebral column lateral flexion. Thoracic cavity inspiration and expiration. Temporomandibular joint elevation and depression. Temporomandibular joint protension and retraction. Shoulder joint abduction and adduction. Shoulder joint flexion and extension. Shoulder joint flexion and extension horizontal. Shoulder joint external rotation and internal rotation. Elbow joint flexion and extension. Elbow joint protension and supination. Carpal joint abduction and adduction. Carpal joint flexion and extension. Metacarpophalangeal joints, interphalangeal joints of hand, flexion and extension. Metacarpophalangeal joints, interphalangeal joints of hand, abduction and adduction. Hip joint flexion and extension. Hip joint flexion and extension horizontal. Hip joint external rotation and internal rotation. Knee joint flexion and extension. Knee joint external rotation and internal rotation. Tarsal ligament flexion and extension. Tarsal ligament inversion and eversion. Metatarsophalangeal joints and interphalangeal joints flexion and extension.